Hello, my name is Sarah Duong. I am a project manager and consultant at Concentrus. Today, I want to show you a cool little tool to help us with safe search creations. So we all know creating safe searches, one of the challenges is to find the right field to use, whether it's in the criteria or in the results tab. Normally, when we are in the filter, we need to know what the exact field name is, or at least what it starts with, to start typing it in. However, sometimes we don't know the exact name that we're looking for, but we may know parts of it. So in that instance, let's say we need to add city, but we don't know which city to add or what are the options that have city in it. So instead of scrolling all the way up and down through this long list, you can come to this field that says criteria search, type in some keywords like city, and then you will see all the fields related to city or have city in it show up here. So if I were to select hold at city, now I know this is the field that I need, and I can start typing it in here. So this will save me a lot of time just scrolling up and down, trying to figure out what my options are and where they're located. Okay, so this is a pretty cool tool. This little tool is called the NetSuite Sphynx. In order to add that, it is a Chrome extension. So what you do is you go to the Chrome store, you click extensions, and then you type in NetSuite Sphynx. You download the tool, and after that, you go back to your NetSuite, refresh the screen, and you should see this field show up here that says criteria search. So it is as simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or interested in the tool, let us know. Thank you.